Heyo, it's me, Hopper Savage, and today we're gonna be coloring in June for our DIY calendar page. Now, I decided since there's a lot of small stuff and details in this image, I'm gonna be using watercolor, but not just any watercolor. I'm gonna be using the stuff from the Nerdy Crafters Creatures of Darkness set. We have the Viviva color sheets and the watercolor brush set from that kit. And I've only tried them out for like a minute, so I have no opinions about these yet, but yeah, I'm gonna try them out now. I already have them filled up and already went ahead and swatched all these, so they're all done and swatched like that. And I guess it's time to get started. I'm trying to make it look like the edges are like glowing because it's a sunset. I think I'm liking it so far, but we'll see. We'll see. I do feel like the watercolor is reactivating a little bit too easily. I'm just not used to it. I don't know if that's like the average, but yeah, so this is interesting so far. I think it still needs something. I think this washi tape will do. It has little pink suns on it. Alright, it is a little hard to tell in my lighting, but there are little suns on it. And it has silver accents on it. Now, I do feel like I did this a little bit sloppy, but after a while, that's kind of what I was going for. After the watercolors were just reactivating way too easily. Well, more easy than what I'm used to, I guess I should say, because I've never used these type of watercolors before where they're like a little sheet, and I've never tried this brand before either. But overall, I did enjoy it. It was, you know, painting for painting's sake and not necessarily because I wanted to make a masterpiece or anything. So that's where I'm at with this. Here it is. Again, doing the turn. It did buckle the paper right here because I added a ton of water to try to spread around that blue. But other than that, I think it turned out pretty alright. You know? I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see another calendar DIY, you can go ahead and click the link here. And if you want to catch up on what you missed, you can go ahead and click the link here. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTubey things of comment, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye!